Okay, it's
ปลาตัว
Saturday,
ใหญ่ไว้เนาะ
August 25th, 2007, and I am in Thailand with my friend Nobuko, who's visiting from Japan.
Okay.
Okay. And we are on an elephant ride right now. You can see our, oh no, this is our elephant. And they've told us we're gonna go through that
ไปไป
lake
ไป
over there, the little river
เร็ว
on the elephant. We'll have to do that pretty soon. But anyway, this is the scenery from here. There's So riding an elephant is kind of like riding a horse, but it's a lot bigger and much more uncomfortable. And they're pretty prickly. I didn't realize that before.
เร็ว
Want to add anything, Nobuko?
เดี๋ยวเดินมา
Yeah, it's so wet.
Yeah, it's really wet here. We're lucky it's not raining right now.
And 1 hour is so
Shiva, Shiva.
long.
Yeah, our ride is an hour and a half.
We half?
Yeah, 1.5 hours.
Oh.
I think we've been riding about an hour.
Yeah.
Okay.
After back, we should change our clothes.
ไป
Yeah. We're gonna be
I
pretty
don't
smelly.
have any, so I should buy now.
ไปเร็ว
Okay. Bye for now.